This is Dacia we're talking about here, though. So don't expect a radical overhaul. The lineup of engines remains broadly unchanged. With a 66 kilowatts 1.0-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol as the starting point, and a 1.3-liter 4-cylinder 95 kilowatts motor for those who want a bit more. Shove, both opt. Our front-wheel drive van come with a 6-speed manual gearbox. The range-topping petrol that we're driving here is a 110 kilowatts version of the same 1.3. It's front-wheel drive only again, but it doesn't get a manual option. It comes with a new 6-speed dual-clutch automatic. Dacia will still sell you a diesel Duster, an 84 kilowatts 1.5-liter unit with a 6-speed manual and the choice of front or 4-wheel drive. From the outside, the upgrades on this facelifted model are modest. There's a new radiator grille, a fresh design of alloy wheels, a couple of new finishes in key areas and different headlights, incorporating new Y-shaped LED daytime running lights to help tie this older model in with the latest SAN design language. Inside, the Duster gets fresher-looking fabrics, slimmer headrests and a new center console, incorporating USB connectivity on some models, plus a 1.1-liter storage bin and an armrest.